guys. It would put Elon Musk to shame.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Oh!
Got him.
Oh no!
What? Jesus Christ. Oh. That was crazy. Oh, frick.
Oh shoot.
What?
Oh no!
We're coming out about this. Guys, I'm literally coming. Kid comes.
Ah! Yes. You guys remember when Russell Westbrook was in Henry Danger?
What?
You remember when LeBron was on Henry Danger?
Oh!
Single bit of damage yet. Oh god, I'm dead. I'm not dead.
Ooh.
Okay, I'm dead.
That's crazy. Oh!
No! Uh-oh.
Oh, the
Might
combo
be
is
okay.
the string.
No!
Tried to spike the fireball. What?
Alright.
There's a wall. Oh. Snaky leg? The snaky leg? The
Oh!
snaky leg?
No!
What? Oh, frick. Okay. Oh, shoot.
Yo, Roy got the first advantage.
I did not think that would hit. Oh, what? Get me out of here!
Oh, Mario. Mario.
That's not what I did!
Oh.
No!
Oh,
No, dude, that was her shit! What?
Whoa! It's dead, it's dead, it's dead!
Well,
I'm dead.
oh.
No, you're alive, you're alive. Oh my god.
He's fine.
Oh! No, 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 no.
So that's how it ends. Oh.
GG's.
Congrats to Cricks on cheating. I mean winning. That's pretty sick. GG.
GG's.
GG's.